Hi everyone, it's Ben Adams with the American Offset Mortgage and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share 5 practical steps that actually work on steps you can take to start to build your wealth, increase your income, and gain financial independence. But before we get into our story, and you know I'm going to say it like I always do, please click on that like and subscribe button because we have a lot more exciting videos coming out on offset mortgages, financial literacy, credit, budgeting, and steps you can take to put yourself in the very best position possible. As a reminder, my goal is to help you grow and share things I have learned on my journey. All this information is educational in nature. If you do have any questions, please drop me a DM or just comment below. And we are off. There are 5 practical steps each of us can take to start building wealth. And no, you don't need to be making $1 million a year for any of this to work. In fact, the principles shared here today will work with any income level. And I hope that gives you some hope because it really should. So what are they? Well, let's jump right in. Step number 1 is learning and understanding the importance of budgeting. You are never going to be able to save your way to wealth, but you will be able to save and invest your way to wealth. The reason budgeting is so important is because this is where you learn the financial discipline, the behavioral discipline to say no to the things that don't matter and yes to the things that do. And yes, there is a very important difference. It's important to develop your financial habits and skills when your income is low. So when your income increases, you understand and already have the habits built out not to increase your spending and overspend, which is the number 1 mistake that most Americans make, and not to over leverage yourself. Step number 2 is to build out your personal and professional skill set. So how do you build out your personal skill set? What are some things that you can do? Well, these are examples that have worked for me. Developing a morning routine, having very structured days, exercising daily, learning to eat healthy, hanging out with people that are better than you or gonna challenge you. Become a reader. Did you know that many of the great innovators, leaders, and people who have changed the world all have one thing in common? They make time to read every single day. Reading is that important. If you read, you can change your life and change your world. Become financially literate. Read financial books, listen to podcasts, go to seminars, improve your financial skills. Your personal skill set will also benefit your professional skill set. Step number 3, learn to earn. Find a performance-based job that will pay you off of your results. Once your personal and professional skills have grown and you learn how to budget, find a job that is going to compensate you off of your performance. This could be a job in sales or one that pays commission, provides bonuses. Find something that will incentivize you based off your results and there's no limit on how much you can earn. Or start a side hustle. Learn how to start a side hustle and earn additional income each and every month. Step number 4, save and invest. Once you understand budgeting, you've experienced some personal growth, your income has started to increase, and now it's time to talk about the most important impact on your wealth, learning to save and invest. Remember, it's not how much you earn, it's how much you keep. I know countless people that are making great money, over 6 figures, that still live paycheck to paycheck. Now, why would someone do that, earning that much money? The answer is because they've over leveraged themselves and they never learned how to discipline themselves with their financial behavior. They have leveraged their future for their present and might have outlandish cars with crazy auto loan payments, excessive credit card debt, and finance other consumer goods. The most important piece of all of this is your monthly budgeting or your savings rate, because it's this savings rate that is going to give you the opportunity to accumulate savings so you can take those savings and then go invest those savings, which will then grow your wealth. Warren Buffett says, pay yourself first and spend what is left over. Pay yourself first, keep your expenses low, and then learn how to invest the difference in index funds, in real estate, in investment properties, commercial properties, multifamily properties. There are so many different opportunities. And the last and final step, step number 5, is time. Stay consistent, stay focused, build, grow, save, and invest. And invest and then repeat. You can do it. There is no secret here. So many people out there think there's a secret to becoming wealthy. There's not. It's about disciplined financial behavior, educating yourself, and doing the steps that we've talked about in this video. Here's the question I have for you though. Do you have the discipline? If you can learn the discipline, then you can learn to win. You can learn to earn, and you can learn to build. And that's it. That's a wrap. This is Ben Adams signing off from the American Offset Mortgage. Can't wait to see you next time.